Hey my homies, so last attempt at the video failed massively because you couldn't even hear my fucking mic. It's pretty sad, I know. They're really gotta work on that. So I'm just gonna do a simple tutorial with no amusing gameplay, sadly. I know it's really depressing. We'll strive to do something next time, guys. But right now, we can't. Anyways, basically what we're doing, I'm actually going to enter here, what we're doing is we're doing a tutorial on the Xbox thing, but I'm not even going to show it to you. So let's just do a quick, go on settings, yes, do the top thing, what else, after you do the top thing, go the top setting, go on to delete accounts, delete your account from the console, then re-download the accounts onto your console, go onto the parties, it'll work. Trust me, I'm not trying to delete your account or anything, because that can't even happen. Trust me, I'm not a psychopath. Anyways, that's basically it. There's like literally nothing else to it. It's that simple. Anyways, yeah, see